If you're from Africa, you're from Asia, and most people keep telling you that it is not possible to get a remote job because of your location, I want you to listen and watch this video to the end. Because today, I'm going to be showing you 3 legitimate remote jobs you can apply to from your home country. Now, these remote jobs, some need prior experiences, some doesn't need experiences. Some need degree, some doesn't need degree. However, they are available worldwide. They are open globally to applicants working from home or applicants looking for a work from home opportunity. As long as you've got a stable internet connection, you've got a phone or a laptop, then this video is for you. So let's get into it. But before I do so, please note, you should never pay to get a job. Every one of those platforms I'll be sharing with you today would never ask you to pay before you use them. Also, I am not guaranteeing that you would make any specific amount of money on this platform because your results would depend solely on which of them you use, your own input, the effort you put in, and your consistency. Now, don't forget to like this video and stay subscribed. This channel is all about helping you find work from home opportunities globally. The first job on our list today is called the chat moderator. The chat moderator may be a job you've never heard before, but let me explain who a chat moderator is. A chat moderator is someone who monitors online communities, comment sections, live stream, and group chats to make sure conversations stay safe, respectful, and within platform guideline. You are basically the person keeping the peace online. So you don't need experiences to start with, but if you have experiences, it is even more a greater chance of you getting this job. However, to get the chat moderator job, you need to be able to read, write in English or whatever language the platform requires. Pay attention to details, be consistent there. To look for jobs as a chat moderator online, the number 1 platform you can use is called ModSquad. ModSquad.com is one of the biggest platform for chat moderator and community management work. They hire globally and the work is fully remote there. You can also use Upwork and Fiverr. You can also create a profile on either Upwork or Fiverr and offer chat moderation as a service. A lot of small businesses, content creators, online communities are constantly always looking for moderators. As a matter of fact, I myself, I do have a chat moderator that works for my social media platform. She works as someone who reply comments, reply messages, and whatnot. Number 2 job today is called online tutor. That is, if you're from Africa looking for a remote job, you want to get into something as a beginner, then the online tutoring could be for you. Before you come and say, Clara, I am not a teacher. You do not need to be a qualified teacher to tutor online. You just need to know a subject well enough to help someone else understand it. That is, you can be very good in English, understand everything about English, and you can impart that knowledge into someone and get paid for your services. It could be maths, it could be sciences, it could be any language you speak. It could even be skills like Microsoft, Excel, or Canva. Now, if you know how to teach, then you can get paid from doing that. So where can you find jobs as an online tutor? Number 1, you can use Preply.com. Preply is one of the most popular platforms for online tutoring, especially language tutoring. If you speak English fluently, you can teach English to non-native speakers from anywhere in the world, then Preply.com is something you should look into. It's a platform opened up to remote workers who can teach. You can set your own hourly rates within your own schedule. Another platform you can use is italki.com. Italki is another tutoring platform that accepts community tutors, meaning you do not need a teaching certificate for that. Another platform you can use is Cambly.com. As an online tutor, this is specifically though for those persons who speak and converse in English. Your role involves helping people understand English language. Also, you don't need to have like a teaching certificate to get started, but you need to be a fluent English speaker or a native speaker. Now, job number 3 is a job I love so much, a job I've once done on my own before as a 9-to-5, and that is customer support job. Now, the remote customer support job is available worldwide, and in most cases, companies, several organizations need a customer support team. What do you do per se? You answer customer questions, you review complaints, you take requests. It could be via chat, email, or phone. And a lot of these companies hire with zero experiences because they train by themselves. Each company requirement for a customer support agent is unique and it differs. Hence, they always train. So, to find a customer job, where do you look? The number 1 is arise.com. Arise connects remote workers with big companies that need customer support agents. You get to work independently as a contractor, or you choose your own hours and you work from home. Another platform you can get customer support job is the workingsolution.com. Workingsolution.com hires remote customer service agents for various candidates. There you go, guys. Free job role you can do from Africa, from Asia, or anywhere around the world, remotely, working from home. That shouldn't be a barrier based on your location. And I hope this video gives you clarity today, particularly if you've been feeling that, because you're based in one location, you can't get a job in another location while staying in that location that you are in. Go explore it. Take note of all the platforms I've listed here today. Do your own research thoroughly on them and come back. Let me know which of them you tried. Now, also let me know in the comment section which of these roles you are into or you are willing to go into. Remember, they are all entry-level roles and beginner-friendly. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and make sure you like. It just tells me that you enjoy content such as this, and it encourages me to want to come back here to make more remote job videos just like this. But remember, I said in the beginning, your results will depend on you. These platforms are real, the opportunities are real, but consistency is what will make the difference. So be consistent in your job search. Don't forget to share to someone else that may find this video helpful. Thank you once again. Watch this video next for job openings worldwide.